On 4th of October 1957, a major event marked the beginning of a new era in Earth observation. The first artificial satellite, Sputnik, was launched by the Soviet Union. Since then, about 8,900 satellites from more than 40 countries have been launched. Of those, about 1,900 were operational, while the rest have lived out their useful lives and become space debris. Approximately 63% of operational satellites are in low Earth orbit, 6% are in medium Earth orbit, at 20,000 kilometers, 29% are in geostationary orbit, at 36,000 kilometers, and the remaining 2% are in elliptic orbit. Satellites are used for many purposes. Among several other applications, they can be used to make star maps and maps of planetary surfaces, and also take pictures of planets they are launched into. Common types include military and civilian Earth observation satellites, communications satellites, navigation satellites, weather satellites, and space telescopes. Space stations and human spacecraft in orbit are also considered as satellites. Today, we are going to know what are the countries that have successfully sent the most number of artificial satellites in orbit.
But before we move forward, make sure you subscribe to the channel and ring the bell icon, so that you get the notification whenever a new video is uploaded into the channel. How did you like this video? Don't forget to write down into the comments section below. And, hey, if you learned something new today, then give the video a like and share it with a friend.